Hi, Caleb with Brownells here. Joined again with Fred from Spiritus Systems. Fred, thanks for coming out.
Appreciate it.
So, in a previous video, we went ahead and set up our basic chest rig, and now we're at a crossroad. Do we want to go ahead and expand on this chest rig, or do we want to step it up to a plate carrier? And take us through some of the pros and cons of that.
Yeah, quite honestly, like bottom line up front, you can go either direction, and if you feel like you made a mistake, there's nothing lost. So just, obviously everything's compatible, and there's situations that would require you to wear one or the other. So quite honestly, you can't make that mistake. So you finish this course, or you get to a point where you've done so many courses, or you've done maxed out your training that you're looking for, and you feel like that this is something I need to commit to. I need to bump up my training. And whether it's training dependent, like you're going to, I don't know, like a CQB course, or you're going to a course that expands on your sustainability, or maybe a collapse of society type thing, and you want to get into sustainment stuff, and that kind of leans which way you go. Or you're looking at just real world, what's going on around you. Like, are you in a built up city where people just like burning stuff here and there, or are you out in a rural environment where it's just farmlands, and if you put on armor and rucksacks, you would just kill yourself trying to get to your neighbor's house. So there's a lot of factors that can go into it, and quite honestly, I can't make that decision for those guys. They have to honestly make an honest assessment of where they are and what it is they think they need. And quite honestly, like all this stuff, you can make it all work together. Like we have a covert back on that plate carrier. You can fit a rucksack on the back of that thing. You're gonna sweat it out pretty good rucking with armor on, but it has been done for since they made body armor. And then with the LBE options, you can get a slick plate carrier and put the LBE or the chest rig over top of your plate carrier. It's not an issue. So I think there's a lot of fail safes if you feel like you made the wrong decision. I think you can make it work either way with whatever you have. So, but get back to your question. You have to really honestly sit there and decide which one of those is going to lean you one way or the other. Is it the training that you're trying to get into that's going to decide what you get, or is it your real world situation of what's going on around you?
Yeah, so that's a load of great information that I think should make perfect sense to everyone out there. So it's going to really be mission specific, training specific, and adventure specific. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them down below. If you have a rig that's specifically set up, tell us about it in the comment section. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.